Hello guys, today we are going to see the project called drainage management system. Here we are having a certain conveyor. Before that there is one container which is a water container here. Water container is present here, which will do like here from this area the water get filtered out to the drainage system, and waste get filtered in here, and this motor will pull over those waste here, and it will move to the conveyor. And then this is the conveyor which is used to move those waste, and here we are having soil moisture sensor and IR sensor which is used to detect the waste which is present here. We are using IR sensor, and to detect either it is dry waste or wet waste, we are using this soil moisture sensor. After object get placed here, if it is a dry waste, it will drop into the left side, and if it is a wet type of waste, it will drop into the right side. Before that, I'll explain the thing which everything is present here. First, we are having this transformer here, and we are using a rectifier to convert AC voltage to DC. And here we are having relay circuit to drive the motor. After a while, I just placed this object here after filling into the conveyor. By using this IR sensor, it is recognized. Now it is checking for either this object is wet type or dry type. Now it is a wet type, so it is dropping that object in this.